Tired of sore legs and distracted gameplay? What if one chair could change everything? Welcome back. Today we reveal the top 5 gaming chairs with footrests for unmatched comfort and focus. Links in the description to shop your favorite picks easily. At number 5 is Misolant Recline Free. Ever sat in a chair that actually makes long gaming sessions feel less like a battle with your back? Let's dive into the Misolant Recline Free, a standout contender in the top 5 gaming chair with footrest conversation, and see if it's truly worth your attention. Tested for real-world comfort, this chair combines a breathable, memory foam-rich fabric that keeps you cool and cushioned, unlike stiff leather chairs that trap heat even after hours of play or work. Its 90-degree, 155-degree recline with a lockable angle and built-in footrest offer flexible relaxation whether you're grinding ranked matches or just powering through deadlines. The massage lumbar support and adjustable headrest genuinely help reduce lower back fatigue, a relief many chairs in this price range promise but don't deliver. Compared to other picks in our list, the Misolant hits a sweet spot of comfort and features, though the fabric texture can feel rough against bare skin and may pill over time. Overall, if you want ergonomic support, cool breathable seating, and a footrest that actually adds value, this chair is a smart buy. Just be realistic about the material feel. Opinions? Drop your thoughts below. At number 4 is Dowinx Pocket Spring. Ever asked yourself if a chair can feel like a sofa and support your body like a real ergonomic throne during long gaming marathons or work days? Let's unpack the Dowinx Pocket Spring gaming chair with footrest in a way that feels honest, expert, and straight talking, just like we do across our top 5 gaming chair with footrest reviews. Tested in the real world, the standout feature here is that pocket spring cushion, borrowed from high-end mattresses, which spreads your weight evenly and keeps soreness at bay even after hours of sitting, a huge relief compared to basic foam seats that flatten quickly. Pair that with a recline and extendable footrest, and you finally get that full-body support so many ergonomic office or gaming chairs promise but don't deliver. But let's be real, the massage lumbar feature is more gentle vibration than deep muscle work, and the footrest action can feel a bit stiff for taller users. That said, compared with others in our top 5 gaming chair with footrest list, this one hits a sweet spot of comfort, adjustability, and value, especially if you want cool seating and persistent support without breaking the bank. If deep massage or premium durability is your priority, you might consider stepping up, but for most gamers and remote workers seeking comfort, adjustability, and that relaxing and play vibe, this chair delivers real peace of mind. On number 3 is Homall Chair. Ever thought a budget gaming chair could actually make your long sessions feel more enjoyable instead of unbearable? The Homall Chair with footrest stakes its claim in the top 5 gaming chairs with footrest conversation by blending comfort, a relaxed vibe, and real-world ergonomic perks. But let's cut through the fluff. It arrives with a retractable footrest, adjustable height, 360-degree swivel, headrest, and a massage lumbar support pillow that tries to relieve lower back tension during long play or work sessions, giving you that feeling of relief without premium pricing. The overall ergonomic design supports posture better than cheap office seats and is generally easy to assemble, which many first-time buyers appreciate. But let's be honest, this isn't the tank like the build of ultra high-end chairs. Some users report that padding may compress over time, the footrest can feel a bit flimsy, and materials aren't luxury grade compared with pricier rivals in the top 5 gaming chair with footrest list. Still, for gamers and remote workers seeking solid comfort and extra foot support without huge investment, this chair delivers a smart balance of features. At number 2 is the GTPLAYER 350 LBS. Ever wondered why some chairs leave you stiff and sore after a marathon session while others feel like they get you? The GTPLAYER 350 LBS gaming chair with footrest might just surprise you, especially if you've been hunting through lists of top 5 gaming chair with footrest contenders trying to find real comfort, not hype. Right out of the box, the robust build and ergonomic design make you feel supported, a relief for anyone sick of cheap seats that dig in after an hour. It supports up to 350 pounds and gives you a roomy, high back posture that actually encourages good alignment without forcing you to sit perfectly still. The breathable fabric and pocket spring padding deliver that sweet spot between cushiony and supportive, which is something not every chair in this category gets right. Compared to other choices in the with footrest lineup, some of which skimp on adjustability or long session comfort, this one feels confident and capable. Assembly is straightforward. The extendable footrest lets you kick back without feeling gimmicky, but fair warning, some users note the padding could be firmer and the footrest isn't the longest for taller folks. Overall, if you want a versatile chair that plays well with both gaming and long work work sessions and gives you that feeling instead of tension, this deserves a hard look. Just weigh the pros and cons for your own setup before you decide. Now moving to the last one is Douxlife 7-point massage. Have you ever sat in a gaming chair and thought, why doesn't this feel like a relaxing recliner? The Douxlife 7-point massage chair might be the unexpected answer your back's been begging for, especially if you've been scrolling lists of top 5 gaming chair with footrest picks looking for real comfort with muscle relief. Right away, the 7-point massage system hits spots most chairs ignore: neck, back, lumbar, and thighs, with multiple modes and timer settings that genuinely melt tension after long play or work sessions, something basic ergonomic chairs simply can't match. The retractable footrest and 175-degree recline feel like a reward after grinding missions or Zoom marathons, and while some rivals in the same category focus purely on sleek racing looks, this one prioritizes true relaxation. Real talk, the massage isn't spa level for everyone, and a few people found stability issues when leaned far back, but for the price and that soothing vibe, it's hard not to feel a sigh of relief sinking into this seat. If you want a chair that feels like more than just a seat, this is worth serious consideration. Just know it's best for casual gamers and workers rather than high-end, long-term daily use. Thoughts? Is comfort or build quality your priority? Choose the Douxlife 7-point massage chair because it combines ergonomic design with targeted full-body relaxation that many other top 5 gaming chair with footrest picks simply don't offer. Its 7-point massage system, neck, back, lumbar, thighs, with adjustable modes melts fatigue during long sessions, while the deep recline and extendable footrest deliver comfort and support you'll actually feel. It's a smart choice for gaming or work comfort with real relief. So guys, this was the video about the top 5 gaming chair with footrest. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.